All right, so the first thing we'll do is solve for the mortgage constant. Set it up this way. 12 gold key payment, gold key clear all. All right, you solve for mortgage constant. You want to preset in 12 payments per year. Clear the calculator. 1 plus or minus PV. You always put -$1 into PV. This problem is a 25-year note, so 25 gold key N at 5.35 interest. Solve for the payment. Take out to 4 significant places with gold key equals 4, then annualize with times 12 equals. So this is the first thing we'll do here, is solve for the mortgage constant. Penny, do you have an answer for us? What'd you get?
0.0726.
You are correct. 0.0726 is the mortgage constant for a 25-year loan offered at 5.35% interest. That is correct. All right? So the next thing we'll do is we'll build the 4 square. All right? So in this problem, this is a 75% loan to value. So you put 0.75 here, and you must put 0.25 here because these two must add up to 100.
Do we leave this information in?
No, just clear it. Yeah, clear your calculator. Okay, we just solved here for the 0.0726. And in the problem, it says the investor wants to earn 12%, 0.1200. So you're going to multiply these across, then add them vertically. Give that a shot.
So 0.75 is what you're mortgaging, and 25% is what you're putting down? Is that right?
Yeah, your loan is 75, it's a 75% loan to value. 25% down payment, correct.
That's 12.00?
0.1200, 12%. It's 0.12. So it's 12%.
So this is different than, we're not doing that over there anymore. We're just,
Yeah, we're done with the first one. Now we're doing the second part.
do we get equal after 7?
Yeah, 0.75 times 0.0726 equals.
Okay.
Correct. So this top row, you get 0.0545. In the bottom row, you get 0.0300. You add these up, and you get 0.0845, which is to say 8.45%. All right, now, the next thing I'm going to say to you is really, really, really important. This is the target cap rate, which means this is the lowest cap rate that the buyer can afford to buy at to achieve their objective, which is 12% rate of return, given the structure of the financing, which is these 3 things. One more time. This is the lowest cap rate they can afford to pay to get 12% given the financing, because if this cap rate goes down, what happens to the price? It goes up. If the price goes up, all things being equal, this must come down. So this is the lowest cap rate the investor can afford to pay at.
One small favor, instead of doing tiny dot and then dot, 4 places, put a 0 first. It's really hard to see that tiny little dot. Sign.
I'll think about it.
Thank you. Good on you.
Joe, when I did 0.75 times 0.0726, I got 0.0544. Are you just rounding up?
No.
Well, I've done it a couple times. I don't know why it's...
So here's what happens sometimes with different phones and different calculators at 4 significant places. You will get at the 1,000th some kind of a rounding error difference. I've seen it before. Like if I do this on an HP 10B2 calculator and do it side by side with like an iPhone 10 app or 9 app or whatever, sometimes at the 1,000th, which is the fourth significant place, you will see a one-digit disparity. I've seen this before. So don't worry about it. I mean, you're close enough. It's good. The difference is negligible. All right. So the third and final thing we do here is to solve for the price. We go back to basic cap rate. Say the price is equal to the net operating income divided by the cap rate. This is the cap rate. In the problem, the NOI was given at $100,000 divided by 0.0845. So the price that I must pay as the investor is $1,183,432. That's my number, and that's why.